room for my mobility, bro. I'm floating. Getting the...
It started as a simple traffic stop in Monroe County, but within minutes, confusion turned into confrontation. The driver insists he wasn't being pulled over, while the deputy claims otherwise. What follows is a tense standoff that spirals into chaos, a moment where calm breaks, tempers rise, and everything changes in an instant.
Sergeant Hager with the Monroe County Sheriff's Office. The reason that I pulled you over is for the move over law.
You didn't pull me over, sir.
I'm sorry?
You didn't pull me over.
What are you talking about? I've been behind you with my lights on for a quarter to half a mile. Okay, do you have your driver's license with you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you have any form of identification on you?
Right here. Because you didn't pull me over.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's weird that you would say that, but
that's weird, man.
Yeah, you went to the right lane. You sped up to 55 miles an hour. You passed by patrol,
I didn't
two
do
patrol
anything
cars.
that you're saying, sir.
Okay, I have it all on camera. That's fine. Do you have your registration insurance with you?
You don't, sir. No.
You don't have your registration insurance?
You didn't pull me over.
Okay, this is a lawful traffic stop.
This
You are not free to leave.
You not pulling me over.
Yeah, this
sir.
is a traffic stop. I have lights on my car. I'm a police officer.
Stop. No,
Okay.
It's not.
Okay. All right. Do you have your registration insurance with you? Hello?
Could you just clear me?
Clear you what?
Can you just check my license? I gave you my license.
I know. I'm asking you.
No, that's not. Are you on a traffic stop?
No, that's not right, sir. This is a traffic stop.
Right.
You have to give me your
It's not
registration
right because
insurance.
You didn't pull me over.
Yeah, I did. I
didn't.
turned my lights on. That's a traffic stop.
No, you didn't, sir. You were passing me on the other side of the road.
Okay. I need your registration and insurance. If you refuse to give it to me, I'm going to take that as a resisting. I'm going to take you out of the car and put you in handcuffs. Okay?
That doesn't matter.
You have a lawful reason. I'm giving you a lawful order to give me your paperwork. And if you don't give it to me, I'm taking you out of the car.
Give me my license back, yeah.
Not going to happen.
Okay.
Give me your registration and insurance or else I'm going to take you out of the car.
That doesn't make any sense.
All right, I'm going to give you one more opportunity to give me your information.
Okay.
If you don't want to give it to me, then we'll do what we need to do.
If I do what you need to do?
Yes, sir. I'm going to take you out of the vehicle.
You're gonna
I'm going to remove you. I'm going to forcefully remove you from the vehicle. If you don't give me your paperwork, your registration insurance.
Can you put out the cigarette, please?
How about this? Step out of the car. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
70 to 75.
What's this about?
Don't turn.
I didn't turn.
Don't turn. Don't turn. Don't turn. Don't turn.
What this is about? Why am I being put in handcuffs?
Because you are. Okay?
In the handcuffs because you're refusing to.
I didn't refuse
comply
anything.
with
I
simple orders.
complied, pulled over, and everything right here.
I told you not to turn around.
Okay, and the entire time you told me I didn't pull you
Dude.
over. I had my lights on.
It doesn't matter what I say, dude.
You're right.
You can literally do whatever you want to.
Okay.
Exactly.
Go ahead and do whatever you guys have got to do. Do
Okay.
it, bro.
That's why I have you're the one in set handcuffs. up
Don't
already,
waste
so
my
head to the-
time.
Nobody's wasting your time.
You are wasting my. You're
No,
holding
you're
on
not.
to my.
You're wasting our time.
Didn't waste anybody's time.
All right.
On 112 or separate?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where?
Back
Where?
here to the patrol car.
Can I have my license?
No, sir. Oh, it's signal 1. Holy moly.
Yeah.
Smell that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Smell that? No. Okay. Have a good one. Thank you.
Sir, do you have any medical disabilities or anything that will cause you to act the way that you're acting?
No, sir.
Okay.
The way you're acting? No, sir. Again, like, I was cordial. I pulled over when I saw that there was a cop behind me.
Okay.
But you guys, because I'm literally not doing anything wrong.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Just put him in the back of your car for a minute.
Where am I going?
Stay
Don't
one
push
more
me,
driver's
sir.
detention.
Don't push me.
Who the hell are you?
What's your problem, man? Get up. Stop. Stop.
What are you doing, dude? What the f are you doing, dude? What the hell's
Do
your
not
problem?
resist.
I'm
Say
not
104, another,
resisting, dude. What the f is your...
Do not
Why are
do
you
not lean like that to
There's
the
no
sergeant.
need to try to run away. I don't know why you would do
attack
that.
me like this?
Do not lean at the sergeant
No,
like that.
shut the f up,
Okay?
bitch. Why the f did you just do that?
Do not lean
I
on the
will
sergeant
kick your
like
f***ing ass,
We'll
bro.
do it. Come on.
No.
Come on.
Right now?
Come on.
Okay, you gotta get the
Step
fuck
up.
off me
No,
and I'll
step up.
beat your
We're gonna go
f***ing
inside the
ass
car.
Right the fuck.
Go inside the car.
Hey,
Stand up.
shut
Stand
the
up.
f-
Stop resisting and stand.
f***ing doing this, bro.
Stand up.
Stop the. I'm not standing
Okay.
shit, bro. You just
right.
squashed
All right.
my.
We'll give you the
f***ing
opportunity
face,
to get inside the car.
No,
Are you gonna
shut the
stand-
f- up? Shut the f up. Give me my license.
Are you
and
gonna
shut
stand-
the f up? Bitch, you better get the f off of it. Bitch.
I'm not going nowhere.
Okay then, shut the f up and
Are you
don't.
going to stand up?
What was that, bitch?
Are you going to stand up?
bitch, you better get the
How about this?
I'm gonna beat your
Sir,
ass.
are you willing to do field sobriety exercises?
Shut the up.
Are you willing to do field
Shut
sobriety
the
exercises?
up, dude.
Third time. Are you willing to do? Okay.
Up.
All right, let's go. 10, 15,
up.
signal 1.
Dude,
And resisting.
Shut the up. I didn't do anything right now.
Hold on. Let me check. Okay, all right, we're good. Stop. Stop.
Am I resisting?
Yes, you are.
Stop resisting.
Oh, I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, hold on.
Well, I got you something.
Is he on like
Because I didn't
drugs
do
or something?
anything.
I don't know.
Right here.
Second one,
Okay,
okay.
hold
You
on.
run
I
that.
didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything.
I got you.
Can you clear me? Can you check my license? Give me my license fix?
Okay. I'm gonna try to get him up and get him.
Yep.
All right.
Ow.
You need to sit down.
Sir, you need to comply and get inside the car, okay?
Are you going to sit down or what? Come on. Lean on your side.
You guys, dude, you didn't pull me over.
Okay.
You guys
That's what
didn't
you
pull
think.
me over, then f you.
Okay.
I'm blind.
1, 2, 3. Stop. Why are you doing this?
Ow, dude.
Why would you do that?
Would you do that for me, dude? Why
what he's doing.
Why are you doing this?
Trying to help me?
We're trying to put you inside the
What the
car.
What's going on here,
He's
dude?
telling you to get inside the car.
Oh
He's
my
trying to
God.
stage like
leave
a
it out.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what the are you guys doing to me, dude?
He's trying to tell you to get inside the
pulled
car.
over right there.
Okay, get
You,
inside the
dude.
car.
No, you
Okay.
get inside the
At this
car.
point, you're going to.
You, dude.
What are you doing?
Get the f out of
Just
my.
hold him down. Just hold him down.
Oh, okay. Oh, dude, you guys are resisting.
Stop.
You guys are resisting.
Stop.
Oh,
Stop.
Oh my God.
7221,
Dude, you actually hurt me, dude.
Stop resisting.
We have one active resisting. Where's this third unit?
My arm handcuffed.
Stop.
I'm handcuffed. How am I resisting?
I got you, sir.
I'm handcuffed.
Let him go. I got you. Let him go.
I'm handcuffed, bro. I'm not resisting. My hands are tied, bro.
7114.
Okay.
1610.
I'm totally
Stop.
resisting right now.
Stop.
Dude. Get the f
Stop.
off me, dude. Get the f
Stop.
off me right. Hold up. Hold up.
Stop
Just
resisting.
bro.
Just stop.
You guys stop. You guys
We're
can
trying to
stop
give
right
you the
now?
opportunity to get inside the
You
car.
guys give me a break.
We have
bro.
him cuffed. He's just
Stop.
trying to put him in the
Stop
car.
it,
He's
bro.
trying to run away.
You guys.
As officers attempt to place the driver into the patrol car, the situation explodes. The man repeatedly says he's not resisting, but the body cam tells a different story. In seconds, the scene turns into a physical struggle. Frustration, fear, and force collide as tension takes complete control of the moment.
You ready?
Yeah, just give me the jelly. Here. Right here. Okay.
Watch his head.
Oh, watch my head?
He's going to swing it at the door. Watch his head.
Watch my head. Hold
Let's
up.
pull him this way.
Hey,
Pull him this way, Tommy.
Just lift him up, bro.
That's what we were trying to do. Ready? Go.
Watch my head, dude. What the f? What's going on here, dude?
Get in the car.
You're in custody.
Hobble himself. Hobble himself.
Get in the car.
Hobble himself.
He already hard.
Aren't you guys like
Hold his legs, Sarge. I got
handling me? What do you mean?
Ready?
Get in the car. I don't have any room for my mother mobility, bro. I'm floating. Get in the damn gun. Oh wow. Oh, okay. There you go. Let me get that first aid kit, bitch. Okay. Thanks. This shit ain't gonna close. This shit ain't gonna. You're gonna break my head?
Close it on that side.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's really great, bro. Thank you. Just close the door on my head, bro. Just do it. Just do it.
Nah, just close it.
Bro, bitch, just shut the up and close that bitch. Close that mother door right on my head and break my face open. Go for it, dude. Thank you. That's good enough right there. Ouch. Okay.
Don't hurt your head, bro.
Okay, don't shoot me, but okay.
Lift up.
Yeah, okay, I am. Thank you. Okay. That's all right. Oh, wow. That's not cool. Dude, now you.
Bro, lift up.
Sorry,
Sit
dude.
up,
No,
man.
I
Just
don't
sit up.
lift, dude.
Sit up.
I do not. I don't do that, dude. You guys get me in the car and take me to... What's your point, bro? Why are you trying to hurt me?
Not.
No, shut the up, bro.
Sit inside the car. There you go. Sit inside the car.
Right now.
Sit inside the car.
Fucking ass, bro. You better shut the f up. Why are there so many Why are you doing this?
17 for 5.
Okay, why are you doing this? Why? Why are you doing this? Dude, why are you doing this, dude?
If we can get the door
Shut
shut.
the f up and tell me why
We gotta
you are doing this. Right now.
Bro, lift your leg.
Dude, you shut the f up. I don't give
Just
a
sit
fuck
down.
what you-
Sit regular. Put your feet down to the floor.
Sitting down. You
I know.
guys
Put your
me
feet
in
down.
here.
Sit up right like normal.
No.
Hey.
Dude. Bro, you better shut the f up. Why are there so many
Hey,
tell me what the f is going
you're gonna
on.
get tased. You put your feet forward. You're
I
gonna
am
get tased.
tased.
You're gonna
I
get
am
tased.
tased,
Put your
dude.
feet forward.
Dude, my feet are forward.
Put your
right
feet
now.
forward and you're gonna get tased.
They're right forward.
Stop resisting. Sit up. Pull
I
it.
haven't resisted
Stop
at
resisting.
all, dude. Sit up.
Okay?
Shut the f
Pull
up.
your
You
body
might
back.
resist it.
Pull your body back. Pull your body back.
There.
Now sit back. Sit back. Move
I'm
back.
sitting back.
Move back. Move back.
Bro,
Move your feet.
this ain't no
You're not stupid.
Look,
Move your
okay,
feet.
Move my feet.
Move your feet.
Bro, look. I can't. Mom, it's f***ing handcuffed, bro. Dude, they're f***ing handcuffed. You stupid son of a bitch, bro. They're handcuffed.
You're gonna get tased.
Dude, I'm already tased, bro.
Get inside the car.
Okay, I'm inside.
Get inside the car.
You already put me inside the
Get
car.
inside the car.
Why do I have to do this?
Get inside the car.
Why?
Sir, get inside the car.
Last chance or you're gonna get
I
tased.
was already tased.
Get inside the car. Last chance or you're gonna get tased.
Look, I can't move with you guys.
Get
on me.
inside the car.
I can't move with you guys on me.
Lift yourself up.
Stop resisting. Get in the car. We're going to tase you.
Next one is gonna be a taser. You
I don't
move.
know what this is about, bro.
Next one's gonna be a taser.
I don't know what
car.
The next one's gonna be a taser. Sit back.
I'm right there.
Keep moving back.
Boom.
Copy
Sorry, you
Wilder,
guys.
1515.
Shut the f
Bro, I don't know what happened. I'm like, sir, the reason I'm
Bro,
pulling you over is for me to move
that
forward.
went
He's
from
like,
0
he's
to
like, you didn't
100
pull me
like
over.
that.
I'm like, yes, sir. I'm behind you for a
11:25
quarter
foot
mile with my license.
With 0 to 100 like that. Look.
25, that's not code.
Make sure you hit him.
He goes to put it in drive, and I'm like, let me see your registration insurance. And he's like, so drunk and high. I don't
Make
know
sure
what
you
it's-
put battery.
Yeah, battery LE on me
Because he
too.
grabbed
too.
me.
Look at this, I'm bleeding.
Yeah, make sure you put battery on me.
All right, so if you
I'll
want to just go
transport
ahead
him.
and get going,
Yeah.
I'll start. I'll have the PC done by the time you get there.
Okay.
I mean, he's not going to do BTO, so we'll just put it as a refusal. We're not
Yeah,
going to try.
call it a day.
combative.
Yeah, he's combative. You gonna take that from me?
I got you.
Okay.
7104, your subject is a valid Class A CDL, A clear.
Thank you.
What's wrong with this dude, bro?
Bro, I don't know. That's high and drunk.
7104.
Huh?
That's my car.
Oh, okay.
All right, step back, though, and take your
just
hands
stay
out
back.
of your pocket.
It's just an active investigation. Even if it's your car, I understand that, but you can't come over here.
What
You
is
the-
he
you
getting
the owner of this
arrested
car?
for? Yeah,
A
I'm
lot.
the owner of this car. What is he getting arrested for?
DUI for one. Resisting, battery on a law enforcement, you name it.
He resisted you guys?
Yes, he did.
Can I talk to him?
No.
No.
But he's saying it's his car.
He's saying it's his car.
It's my car.
Oh, it's gonna be told.
Yeah.
It's gonna be.
Yeah, it has to
Are
be.
you
It's a
kidding
felony.
me?
Yeah, it's a felony, so he has to be told.
Yo, but I need to get my debit card from
Where's
him.
his?
And you don't look, you've been drinking to look like too.
I'm not driving the car, so it
So?
doesn't matter to me.
Okay.
Excuse my language. I'm
Where's
sorry.
his license at?
But
Right here.
I just gotta get my debit card from him. If you could get that from him.
Bro, he's been fighting us. I'm not going over there.
Can I, like.
No, I told you that already.
Your debit card is. I'll give you your debit card as long as you can
Okay.
give me your ID and prove it's you. That's no
Yeah,
problem.
I got my ID right here, sir. Well, I'm not getting my card towed. I can tell you that. You guys aren't
You got
towing
somebody
my
that
card.
can.
I
We're
can
going
get
to.
my
We're going
mom.
to talk. You're not going to tell us what we're not going to do. 'Cause then it's
No,
going to go a
I'm
different way.
not, I can have my mom come.
Okay,
here.
that sounds more better than
Yeah.
what we're not going to do.
Hello.
Step out.
Come on.
How's it going, mate? Thank you, sir.
Sit down there.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Can you please assist me, sir?
Ready? Come on.
Thank you, sir.
Come on.
Help me out, sir. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, thank you so much. Happy Thanksgiving. I can walk up from here, guys.
No,
I'm good.
that option's out for you.
Okay.
Listen, move forward so I can take those handcuffs off, okay?
Yes, sir.
You know?
That's about as far as you're gonna get it, bitch.
Thanks.
Go ahead and take one off here.
Hold on, I can go up a little bit more.
Oh my
No.
God! Come on, man.
That's good.
Don't
That's
start.
Good. There, guys.
You good? Yeah, just
There you go. Go ahead.
Okay. Just take them off. We got
Don't
them.
break one of them.
We got it.
One of them's good. But,
Over here.
Thank you.
Hey, hey. Oh my God. Hey, dude, come on now, bro. Dude, just take it f***ing off, bro. Please stop f***ing with me, dude.
Nobody's messing with you, man. You're the one tensing up. Nobody's messing with you.
Dude, that
Stop tensing
not
up.
tensing up
Yes,
at
you are.
all, bro. Not tensing up at all, dude. Had a good day. I had a good day. How about you guys? Thank you.
Great day.
He's good. He's going.
Well, just take it off, dude. Come on. This is your job, bitch. Like, f***ing take it off, bro. Come on, dude. Like, this protocol, bro. You can't do that shit.
Moments later, the driver is taken into custody, charged with resisting arrest and several related offenses. What began as flashing lights on a dark highway ends with handcuffs, confusion, and bruises. It's a reminder of how quickly control can slip away and how one misunderstanding can change everything.